Hello, Xhorse fans, welcome back to our channel. Today let's talk about how to read BCM2 module using Prog. First we open the software, check the device info. And find connection diagrams. A solder-free adapter is required. Connect the adapter and the module. Connect devices. Power the adapter. Connect OBDII2. Read data 1 and save the data file. Then open OBDII2 software and enter Volkswagen option. Click Learn 5th Immobilizer System. Perform the first step, load the data 1 file. Confirm vehicle info. Click Yes to go on. It'll show that this BCM2 supports continue to step 2. Let's go back to Prog. Read data 2. And save the file. Then continue with step 2, load the data to file. OBDII2 will calculate the IMMO data of the module. Just click OK to save the IMMO data that can be used in dealer key generation and key learning. We also need to save the service data that must be written back to BCM2 using Prog. Otherwise, the module cannot function properly. Back to Prog and write service data. The writing progress is displayed here. Well, after installing the module, it will work normally. If you have any questions or topics of interest, please leave a comment. See you guys next time.